Hello everyone, Andy here. So today we take a look at this lavalier microphone I bought because I think sound on the last videos was quite bad, quite hard to understand, so the only problem now is how I speak. But I'm doing this for learning speaking on a microphone. So let me know what you think. Is the audio better with this or not? I think so it is, because it's now here where the sound is and not up there where the camera, because my setup is a bit strange. I have here a kind of a lamp where I fixed my GoPro, or stuck a GoPro pad there, and filming the desk from above. And here my daughter has played with some glitter stuff. Yeah, doesn't matter. So that's just a quick update, and to tell you why I didn't upload anything in the last time was because actually I was busy to redoing the stuff I already filmed without this microphone. But now I have to redo it with the microphone, otherwise you don't understand what I'm telling you. Maybe that's better sometimes, but you decide. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.